You won't get much argument from folks when you talk about a cast iron skillet being an essential element in the kitchen. But cleaning a cast iron skillet, well, that's a different story. So my friend Georgia Pellegrini gives us her take on it, and it really works.
Cast iron is one of my favorite cookware materials. You can cook just about anything, any way you want, in one pan. The best part? You don't have to wash it. In fact, you shouldn't. But there's a proper way to keep it clean. We're gonna start by getting our pan smoking hot. I've had it cooking for about 5 minutes, and you can really start to see the smoke come up. Now to that, I'm gonna add some salt. You could use kosher salt or sea salt, a really good amount you're gonna need. We're gonna sprinkle it all throughout the bottom of our pan. Now I'm gonna take a good oven mitt and I'm gonna evenly distribute it by giving it a good shake. Now for 5 minutes, we're going to let it cook, and it's going to extract all those impurities from the bottom of the pan. Then we're gonna give it a good scrub with our bamboo scrubber. Now our salt has gotten a little bit brown, and that's because it's extracting all of those impurities from the cast iron. The more grit you have in your cast iron, the darker that salt's gonna get. Now you're gonna let it cool for about 5 minutes. Ours has been sitting here because it's gonna get really hot, this cast iron. Now I'm taking a bamboo scrubber. You could also get a metal scrubber, but bamboo is really great for getting that grit out. We're gonna scrub it really hard for about 1 minute until we really get all of that grit off the surface, and then we're gonna dump it out. Okay, we've gotten all of that grit up. Now we're gonna discard all of that into a bowl or the garbage. Now, we're just gonna add a little bit of oil. And we're gonna take some paper towel and wipe that around, and that's gonna help get up any excess residue, any extra salt or grit that's left over in that cast iron. And there you have it. It's a beautiful new pan ready for your next batch of cornbread.